G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Today, as promised, you find me at Gas Racing's workshop. So if you remember, a few videos ago, we featured a Supra at the drag races at Sydney Dragway. And I said in that video that we will be coming to visit the workshop where that car got built. And here we are. So we're going to walk around, take a look at the workshop, see what they do, and we'll take it from there. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, I'm going to be giving one of these away to a lucky subscriber as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers. So pound that subscribe button, and once we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll give you instructions on how we're going to go about the contest. Well, ladies and gents, we'll start off with this Walkinshaw over here, a car that I used to have, number 070. This one is another number. I was hoping it was mine because I've been trying to track it down, but unfortunately unable to so far. But once again, I mention, if you know where 070 is, or if you're the owner and you're watching this video, give me a shout out in the comments. Alright ladies and gents, this is the entrance to the shop, and I'll give you an overview. Look at all these magnificent cars. What a feast for a car lover, or a performance car lover. So this workshop, what they do is it's divided into three parts. So you've got, on our left hand side, you'll see an entrance down there, and that's where they do their fabrication. And then in that door, right down the middle, is their dyno. We'll get a closer look at all this. And in that room over there is where they do their engine building. And the office is in there. So as you can see, they do the pro mods. We've got that Mustang over here. We saw this at one of the drag racing videos where Carl Cox was. We've got the BMW. So these are pro mods. So these are just some of the cars that you see here that they do. So what they do is they do rotaries and 6-cylinder turbos and V8 turbos. That's their main work, what they do. So you can see that they also do street cars, as well as pro mods and funny cars and drag cars and everything. Some beautiful cars here. A beautiful Tirana SS hatchback, rotary. Rotaries over here. Here's the Supra that we covered at the drag race video. Look how mean that looks, ladies and gents. Have to say I love this Tirana. This is obviously a street car. You just come here to get some work done to it. Well, so let's walk into their fabrication room. So obviously they fabricate a lot of their parts here. So a good professional workshop. And we'll hit the dyno room. Looks like they're getting a car ready to go on. Yep, so it's one of these dynos where they take the wheels off. They take the wheels off the car and then they connect it to the axle. Very professional stuff. Like those engines are just about completed over here. So yeah, their main work, like I said before, is building rotary engines and tuning them. Also 6-cylinder turbos and V8 twin turbos. Gas Racing up there, the signs, you've got Fuel-Tech. Now these guys are the distributors of Fuel-Tech for Australia. Mainland Dyno Cell, got Master over there, and they're also the distributor of Precision Turbos. So this workshop is well known across the drag racing community and the performance car community. If you remember, I've been away in Europe for a big chunk of my life, so these workshops weren't around when I was here in Australia, but I have discovered them as I've returned back here, and it has come a long way since the days when I was here 20 years ago. If you want to build your engine for a street car, pro mod or whatever, come and see these guys. They do some fantastic jobs here. They've got some very serious cars, well known throughout the performance car community, and they've got a lot of records down the drag racing scene. So you can see some of the serious work going on here, ladies and gents. This car's in the process of getting built. You can see all the complex work that goes into these things. And this is their turbo supply room. Precision turbos, like I said before. And here they've got some goods. Nice quality stuff here. This is good for the ladies, of course. Kids. this is all the men's gear. So these different t-shirts. Variety here. Got some hoodies. And some jackets, thicker ones. For the colder weather. T-shirts once again. And more hoodies. So even these alone are worth coming here to buy. Very nice designs. The owners of Gas Racing, Joe and Jackie, were kind enough to provide me with one of their lovely t-shirts of Precision Turbos. So that'll be nice. I thank them very much for that. Okay guys, I would love to give a big thanks to Joe and Jackie, the owners of Gas Racing, for allowing us to come and film their workshop so we can share what they actually do here and get people that are interested in doing their cars up. All the performance cars, engine building, turbos, you name it, they do it. Tuning to bring their cars over. So we've come to the end of the video. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support, and we will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.